afternoon, my name is Jeremy, and today we'll be going over diagnosis and repair of fault codes. Here we have an International Transstar, and this right here is what we're going to be using to read the faults. This is a JAL test computer. What we have here is a computer hooked up with the different connectors that go on different vehicles. In this drawer we have some the connectors. We have a 9-pin, a 6-pin, OBD16. Right here in the vehicle is where you're going to hook up the connector to be able to read it. So this right here looks like a 9-pin. I'm gonna come into my handy dandy drawer, grab my 9-pin, I'm gonna hook it up. Make sure it's nice and secure. I'm gonna plug it in, make sure the vehicle is turned on, but not started. And right now, this is communicating with the vehicle. I'm gonna come up here and select the 9-pin, which is what I'm using to connect with. And it's now connecting and it's reading the ECM. Once this is done reading, it should bring up all the codes that this vehicle currently has. By the looks of it, we have a few grayed out faults. Once this is done reading, we'll be able to go in depth on what those faults are. After I ran the program, the faults that came up, I have an active SID 231 FMI 14, which is the data link, and I have an inactive code in FMI 2, also in the data link. So now what I would do is I take those numbers and those fault codes, I would go into Truck Protoman, I would go into the specific year, make, and model of this vehicle, I would look up those fault codes, and that's where it would properly tell me how to troubleshoot and repair those codes. I chose to display the engine coolant temperature sensor code. We have right here is the code description and some of the possible causes of why that fault happened. So we're going to click where it says troubleshoot code. And this is going to bring up the troubleshooting techniques. What we're going to do is we're going to do an ECT sensor end diagnostics. We're going to do a sensor circuit inspection and a circuit sensor harness inspection. Once all that has been gone through, we will be able to have a better idea of why this fault happened. Once we can figure out that, we'll be able to figure out if it was a open, a short in the circuit, or if it's just the sensor itself being bad.
Through the whole
system of repairing those fault codes, I would erase the data that I have now, rerun this program, and see if defaults are still there. If they are, I would take proper measures to repair them again. Thank you very much for your time, and have a great day.